road already?
No, that I didn't know.
Alright. Ricardo, this is Vanessa. Vanessa,
Hi.
this is Ricardo.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Ricardo?
Oh, yeah.
No, you say I leave.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do that now. Kareem say, if I call him now, you're not gonna get through to him because I'm out of 7 inch because I'm on the way I go to Europe.
Alright. We never see babes.
Oh, Tony, beg you a minute there.
May I come? Give me 1 minute.
Tony, what would I get to do?
Catty, you mean a young lady inside?
Yeah, you know me I talk about, man.
Ricardo, she's out of your league.
Nobody know out of the league. You know
Alright.
we already. You don't know
She's
anything.
unavailable then.
But you
One.
said that you want to put in a 2 word for me, isn't it?
Ricardo, go up on the road.
Later.
What the? I'll be right back. I'm gonna put on my bag. So, yeah.
Okay.
So, this is where I reside.
Yep.
Nice and comfortable.
Yeah, this is a really nice place.
Thank you.
Very nice and cozy. Oh, by the way, your cousin has really nice eyes.
I must have that make him feel like he my girlies.
Well, boys of that age, there's a lot of testosterone involved.
Vanessa, you can't talk different, like loosen up, like you just, how's that talk so?
I'm loose. See? I'm loose. This is loose, isn't it?
When you sit down, you're always upright. When you talk, it always proper. Even the club where we go one night, you dance like a white woman.
No, Tonian, you will not talk about my dancing. I have rhythm, okay? I have rhythm. That's rhythm. Catch it. Oh, feel that.
Even Chopaka rhythm have more rhythm than that. Alright, you're gonna start off with just some simple walking. Just walk normal like this.
Okay. I'll take
Try.
my shoes off. That's just walking.
Exactly. We're
Okay.
starting simple. Alright.
Just walk.
Mhm.
Just walk, bro. Okay.
Miss World, Miss Universe. It's not a runway. Just walk. Normal walk.
But that's what I did. I just walked.
Alright. I'm gonna teach you the skittle walk, Jamaican walk. Knock your foot so drop your body and just walk.
Yeah. Knock. Drop. No. That's what you said. Knock. Drop.
Drop your hand, no cock off. Just like this. Vanessa, you can whine?
That's a silly question. I'm an adult in a relationship. Of course I can whine.
Alright. Whine make me see.
Okay, here goes.
I'm so sorry, but why not? That wine is so non-alcoholic.
I'm sorry, but that's my best wine.
You need help. Alright, watch me. Do that wine now. That one on your big and careless. You can try it. Big chest. Try it.
Okay. Alright.
Hold on. Come here. Walk me a foot. Bend your knee. Push out your chest. And roll your body.
What am I doing wrong?
Everything. Alright. I'm gonna work out a whole sequence for you. Walk, dance, and talk.
Okay.
Okay? So alright.
Alright.
Vanessa. So alright.
Alright.
Alright. This is a work in progress. Come.
Hey.